And the spike in costs for homeowners insurance, car insurance, even health insurance impacting what your retirement savings must be, especially right here in Florida.
Yeah, now a new study reveals Americans think that they are going to need on average $1.46 million to retire, an all-time high. And we have the local numbers as well. So the concern here, right? The gap between what you think you might need and what you've saved to date, much wider than it needs to be. The numbers come from Northwestern Mutual's yearly planning and progress study in its 16th year. They surveyed adults of all generations in the workforce, and we looked at the numbers here in Tampa Bay. Overall, adults in our community, as you can see right here, they believe that they'll need $951,000 to retire comfortably. Tonight, some advisors warn that number should actually be higher, that in Tampa Bay, if you plan to retire here, the number should be closer to the national average of 1.4 million. Depending on how close you are to retirement, might be doable, but according to a local wealth management advisor, there are ways. You just have to be diligent.
About 5 years of working with clients, I'm always amazed how much more money they're saving and how much more satisfaction. And then they begin really understanding that this is doable. But it's about discipline, but it's a discipline over a period of time. You can't just do it all at once.
The gap in savings for Tampa Bay between what's saved right now and at this moment, $870,000 is that gap versus what we really need. Now, keep in mind, these are averages. These are something that will be supplemented by Social Security, pensions, other ways. The key takeaway in this: plan right now, anticipate so that you can retire comfortably.